So my first question is, how did you find out about Food Vibes?
Just through doing an internet search, actually. I was looking for cooking classes for my daughter. COVID was still going on, and so I was looking for something that would be safe for them to do, but still fun and enjoyable. And so when I came across your page, I reached out to see whether you would do something in home, which felt safer to me. And you were, super easy to work with and, very accommodating. And so, yeah, we're on class number 3 now.
Okay. And then so you're on class number 3, how has the experience been? Do you think the girls are loving it? Are they engaging in the class?
Yeah, the girls love it. They get excited about doing the next one, I think, before we've even finished the last one. Okay. And, I love working with you on the menus and kind of finding something that works for them that's easy enough that they can do, at 4 and 6. But yeah, I think it's, it's been very easy to kind of work through and customize menus. And yeah, they've loved every one of them. So.